This is a review of the Lefree Garden Hose 50 feet stainless steel garden hose metal. It is flexible water hose that comes with 10 function nozzles and it's crush resistant. So that means that this thing is literally indestructible and it could withstand pretty much everything. And I tested it. I own this for about a couple months now and I've been using this for quite some time now. It's really amazing, and one of the huge pluses about it that it comes with the nozzle itself too. And like I told you guys, 10 functions with this. So I could use this for pretty much like washing the car. I could use this for pretty much like watering the garden and pretty much the grass. So you could use this for pretty much everything for your daily activities that you do for outdoors. And it's literally amazing. Like I said, I been using this for a couple months now, and I usually just go with the jet mode because it has more pressure, and you can see how much pressure that is right over here. And one of the best things I love about this is that the stainless steel metal quality is literally amazing. I owned a lot of old garden hoses in the past, and majority of them, they had a lot of wear and tear and they broke down, and I had to keep buying new ones. And I wish I definitely, I picked this thing up earlier, because this thing is literally amazing, and it is literally like indestructible. Like you could like for example, I could be stepping on this thing very roughly and hard and it's not gonna break. It's literally that the metal quality, the stainless steel quality is literally amazing. Like I could do this and it's not like nothing has changed. Like it's that strong. So it is literally indestructible. And like you can see here, if I water the grass, you can see here it pretty much the jet mode is really spectacular. I'm going to be changing it to the different, like I told you guys, 10 functions. I'm going to be moving this nozzle, showing you guys all the functions. Okay, so this is right here, the soak function. So it's like a little bit if you're trying to water the mulch or maybe the plant beds or anything like that, you can use it for that. And if I move the nozzle to here, the next nozzle is the angle mode. So right over here, when I hit that mode right there, so we're gonna go press this, and you could do this like for lights, grasses, or anything like you want to water your trees or anything, you could literally use that. So the next mode right here is the mist one. So if you're like washing the car, you can use the mist mode. I usually do that when I have to rinse the car, and this is like one of the best modes. It's very soft and gentle, but usually when I do majority of the stuff, I usually go for the jet mode, and it makes the job very easy to use. The 1/2 vert mode, this one is also a good mode here too. You could use it like this too if you're trying to do something moderate, so you can use that as well too. Then we got the center mode. The center mode is also a good option as well too. So if I hit this one, you could use this as well too to pretty much water the grass or pretty much for anything like I mentioned before. And then one right here, we get this function right over here. We get the full mode. This is like for pretty much similar to jet mode. It's not, I don't see anything too much different with this mode, but it literally does the job like what is intended. Then we get the flat mode, and it's like this one. So if you were trying to like do it like that, you can have it like spread it out a little bit like that. Then we get the shower mode. The shower mode is also a good mode too. So we do this one. It's a pretty thick, pretty much it's very heavy, and it really does really amazing. Like any watering the mulch, you can use it for that. So then we get this one right here, the cone mode. It's like spread it out too like that. Then last but not least, like I showed you guys before earlier, is the jet mode. It literally does amazing as well too. You can see how well I usually go for this mode because it does everything amazing, and you can spread it out like do it like move it everywhere around, like pretty much everywhere. But yeah, I've been using this for quite some time now, and would definitely recommend this product, the stainless steel 50 feet garden hose. Like it literally does a job, and the huge plus about this is that it comes with the nozzle itself too. And yeah, indestructible. You can step, like I showed you guys, you step on it, pretty much like do everything with it, abuse it, but it's gonna stay where it's at. It's literally indestructible, and I very happy with this product. I would definitely recommend this stainless steel garden hose if you're looking for a new replacement set garden hose. Then this one is by far one of the best garden hoses to get, and I would definitely recommend this product. And not just that, but 50 feet is also very long too, and I could literally go very far away, like from the next, pretty much from all the way from the backyard to all the way to somewhere else. And it's 50 feet is quite long too. But yeah, definitely, I would definitely recommend this product. Stainless steel quality is literally amazing, and I absolutely just love this product.